The mattress vacuum cleaner that will change your sleep forever. What if I told you that your mattress is secretly harboring millions of dust mites, allergens, and pet hair? Sounds disgusting, right? Well, today I'm reviewing the Nuyuk RENB mattress vacuum cleaner, a gadget that's about to revolutionize the way you sleep. This sleek and powerful vacuum cleaner uses advanced 4-step BEM tech to eliminate 99.97% of dust mites, allergens, and pet hair from your mattress. That's right, folks, this thing is a beast when it comes to deep cleaning your mattress. But what exactly does that mean? Well, let me break it down for you. The 4-step BEM tech process uses a combination of vibration to loosen and remove dirt and debris, UVC light to kill dust mites, bacteria, and other microorganisms, 50,000 Hz ultrasonic waves to disrupt and eliminate allergens and pet hair, 60 degrees Celsius hot air treatment to sanitize and dry the mattress. And the results are staggering. With the Nuyuk RENB mattress vacuum cleaner, you can say goodbye to dust mites and their waste products, allergens like pollen, mold, and pet dander, pet hair and odors, bacteria, viruses, and other microorganisms. And hello to a cleaner, healthier sleeping environment. Imagine waking up every morning feeling refreshed, revitalized, and allergy-free. But is it worth the investment? That's the million-dollar question. Let's dive in and find out. To answer this question, let's consider a few things. First, think about the cost of replacing your mattress every few years because it's become a breeding ground for dust mites and allergens. Next, consider the cost of allergy medication, doctor's visits, and other health-related expenses that come with sleeping on a dirty mattress. Now, compare those costs to the price of the Nuyuk RENB mattress vacuum cleaner. When you look at it that way, this vacuum cleaner starts to look like a smart investment. But that's not all. This vacuum cleaner also comes with a range of benefits that go beyond just cleaning your mattress. For example, it can help reduce allergy symptoms and improve respiratory health, eliminate pet hair and odors, prevent the growth of bacteria, viruses, and other microorganisms, extend the life of your mattress. So, is it worth the investment? In my opinion, absolutely. The Nuyuk RENB mattress vacuum cleaner is a must-have for anyone who wants to sleep better, wake up feeling refreshed and revitalized, breathe easier, reduce allergy symptoms and improve respiratory health, enjoy a cleaner, healthier home, eliminate dust mites, allergens, and pet hair. Whether you're a health-conscious individual, allergy sufferer, pet owner, busy homeowner, this vacuum cleaner is the perfect solution for you. Invest in your health, happiness, and home with the Nuyuk RENB mattress vacuum cleaner. Order now and start sleeping better, breathing easier, and enjoying a cleaner, healthier home. First, let's talk about the technology behind this vacuum cleaner. The 4-step BEM tech process uses vibration, UVC light, 50,000 Hz ultrasonic waves, and 60 degrees Celsius hot air treatment to deep clean your mattress. And with 7-grade filtration and a HEPA filter, you can trust that your mattress is getting the deepest clean possible. I was blown away by how easy it was to use this vacuum cleaner. Simply run it over your mattress and let the advanced technology do the rest. The results were astonishing. My mattress looked and felt like new. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty details. This vacuum cleaner has a powerful motor that produces minimal noise, making it perfect for use during the day or night. And with its sleek and compact design, you can easily store it in your closet or under your bed. So, what do I think of the Nuyuk RENB mattress vacuum cleaner? Honestly, I'm obsessed. The ease of use, the advanced technology, and the incredible results make it a game changer for anyone who wants to sleep better and breathe easier. So, what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description to buy the Nuyuk RENB mattress vacuum cleaner now. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech reviews and product roundups. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video. Don't forget to visit our channel for more tech reviews, product roundups, and gadget goodness. Subscribe now and hit the notification bell to stay up to date on the latest tech reviews and product releases.